it again.
Hi.
Yay, it's me and Tegan.
Yeah.
We just arrived at the condo.
Yes, just arrived.
Yes, and there's actually barely nothing in here.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
But there's a big pool, so
Yeah.
yeah.
And we're going to the lake at 1, so
Yeah.
yay.
You probably won't see us at the lake, but you'll see us here.
Yeah.
We're gonna go show you the pool.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, let's fly.
Yeah. Ow! You hurt me. Stop me. What are you? Oh my gosh, I decaf. You Pop-Tart. You're a Pop-Tart. Stop it. I'm trying to put in my.
I'm gonna fly there.
Oh yeah, guys, I got a bit of grain in my mane because I spilt some dye. No! Brianna, look! I got it on me.
Oh my god, it's everywhere.
Oh my
Look
gosh,
at that.
I'm gonna flip and dying.
Oh my god.
You see
Here,
it?
let me clear
Well, I cleaned it up. Well, they're not looking at my blank. They're looking at my blank. Okay, but I'm not a blank flake. See, I'm not a blank flake. Okay. I can't. Here, no, come over here.
I will show you
The world. Okay.
It's so bright.
I know. I'm gonna die. Okay, I can't see anything. So the pool's covered up.
I wanted to jump in.
I know. I just want to. I want to jump in myself.
Throw it.
Where are you gonna throw it?
Throw it right there, and I'll go pick her up.
They right in the middle, and they just walk on it.
I'm gonna throw it.
No. No.
Okay, I'm gonna come over.
The pool. We can actually. I think we can get in the pool. I think so. We can. We just have to.
Take the thing off.
Yeah.
I wanna drop her so bad. Oh my god.
No, just drop her like right there and just pick her up. What are you doing? You gonna do it? They can swim in that little pot of water.
Yeah, but
They can swim right there.
what if we sat on it and they just played in the water?
Oh my gosh! But what if it didn't fall? That would be. There's our box house. The box house. You won't hurt me. Okay. So guys. Your bow. This is just our vlog now. It's not theirs.
No one likes
We took over. The Who Mans took over. Lyra would be happy.